So some amount of credit is being given to former Australian cricketer Rodney Hog for riling up and motivating the West Indies team before that second test match. He described the Windies as pathetic and hopeless. And of course, we hear West Indies captain Craig Brathwaite after the dramatic victory basically saying Rodney Hog's comments motivated the Windies players to go out and beat Australia. But fundamentally, I have a problem with the fact that it needed the harsh words of a foreigner, an Australian, to fire up these West Indies players. So many people have been saying the West Indies team is pathetic and hopeless for years, and we never got this kind of response. But Rodney Hog from Australia called them rubbish, so they decided to play the game of their lives. Implicit in that is that these players had it in them all along, but they themselves could not bring out these performances. Local critics and commentators like the Maverick could not get it out of them. But a man named Hog, a man named Hog, no, not that kind of Hog, stop it.